Hey guys, it is Andre and today I'm coming at you with the new release video for this week. I am super excited about this week's new releases. I really love all of the kits and I'm really excited about the multicolor that is coming to the shop. So let's go ahead and get into the new releases for this week. Kirsten just texted me that she literally laughed out loud. I feel like I've been saying that a lot to people, like, where I say LOL very, like, often. Like, let me know in the comments if you guys are like this. I say LOL very often, but I don't actually laugh. But, like, I feel like whenever I actually laugh, I have to, like, let the person know that I'm laughing out loud. And I feel like I've told a lot of people recently that I've been laughing out loud. So let's do what we've been doing recently and go over the kits last, because I think they're the most extensive part. So let's go over this week's wiggle. So I actually wanted to pull out a rose gold. So this week's plan with me, I'm actually going to be using this wiggle because it is pretty much rose gold. Emily's trying to tell me that they're slightly different. They are a different, like, foil skew. I do think this one's a little bit more muted. You can kind of actually see it here, but I feel like it could just be like an extender to your rose gold collection. In the foil book, whenever I was ordering it, it looked a lot more pink. But I just figured when I got it, I was like, this would be great for kind of like a foil basics, like starter kit of rose gold, because it matches our rose gold almost perfectly, and the deal is like out of this world. So I was super excited actually that it turned out to be a rose gold color. So this is the last of this format of wiggle. The next format probably won't have for a while, so I will have like a kind of an alternative wiggle next week, I believe. If not, we'll be taking 1 week off and then doing a wiggle the next week, which will be kind of like a completely different like wiggle idea, but y'all just have to wait for that. So this week is a rose, I'm probably just gonna call it rose gold, and because it's rose gold. So this is the same format. So you have your overlay sheet, you have your sampler sheet, which the weekend banner is not cut out, but like I showed in the first video, you can just snip it off because it is clear. The next one, the weekend banner, will be cut. And then you have your full box overlays, your header overlays, your corners, and then also your icons. And I was talking to Emily and I was like, you know, a lot of people are into the Hobonichi weeks recently, and I feel like this would be a great little sampler to kind of just get some foil items in there. You can use these as like little bullet points, and then weekend banner and different icons. So I think that'd be really cute. Just an idea. So this is this week's wiggle. It's available Wednesday at noon Eastern. We usually do bring the wiggles back, but it's not at the discounted price. Oh no, there's an ad. At the discounted price. And we don't have a lot of the past wiggles available. There's a lot of them have like less than 50 packs left. So definitely get them on the discount. They are $10 if you buy all six, the all six option. And if you buy them individually, they are $2, which is still a really great deal. So this week is rose gold. I probably won't even call it light rose gold because as you saw, it's like a minute difference. And I feel like people would be like, this isn't really that much lighter. So we'll just leave it. Then the rest of these items will be available Friday at noon Eastern. Let's go over the, we'll do the vinyls first. So I actually think these are pretty easy to see through the clear paper. So this one here is a blue sparkle. It kind of reminds me of Emily's hair. It's super beautiful. I love this one. It's so pretty. This is a vinyl bow, so it does have like the clear. Let me actually zoom in a little bit. My nails look like really bad, but you guys can forgive me, right? So it is a vinyl, so, well, that's not any other time whenever I want this to go the opposite way, it doesn't go. So what is going on here? Okay, there it goes. So you peel this back and then you can put it like on your water bottle or something like that. I have this one, which is the black, like hollow kind of sparkle. This one has sold out, but we have been coming out with a couple of different ones per week. So this one is the blue sparkle. And then I have this one, which is the hot pink matte. So like that one, it is this color. So it's a pink, hot pink matte color. And then this one here is, what do they call this one? Rose gold sparkles. This one's really pretty as well. It's like a bronzy rose gold, but really, really pretty. So those will be available. Those are limited stock. I do have 3 Scribbler designs this week. So we do have the bathtub ones, which I feel like are going to be super popular. We have the balloon ones, which are also great for birthday party celebrations of any sorts. And then also the champagne flutes, which again, birthday, celebration of any sorts, or if you're just going out for like a happy hour or something like that. Then we have some foil items releasing this week. So they are all our like simple line bow. So the first thing you have here is the mini deco sheet. These come in all 3 foils. So these are all individually cut little bitty bows. Those will be available in all 3 foils. There's also the header overlays, super cute. So lots of headers on there. And then there's also the washi overlays. So these go on top of those 15mm strips, which are super cute. And those do come in all 3 foils as well. I've placed some real big foil orders recently, so we have a lot of stuff coming. Like more than, I don't even know where we're going to put it all, but we'll find a place because we're moving. So maybe we'll just put it at the new place. So the last thing I want to show you is not a release, but this is the $150 freebie. I have been doing $75 freebies, and if you guys have ever ordered, if you put $75 worth of stuff in your cart, the freebie automatically is added and it is free. And then if you take out items and it's under $75, it goes away. So this is going to work like that, but it's going to, like, whenever you get $75, it'll come up on the listing automatically. The listing will come up automatically USD, because a lot of people get confused. So there's a $75 one, and then we're also going to have a $150 one. So if you do spend $150 in the shop USD, it will automatically add to your cart just like the $75 one. And this has it has SPC, Scribble Prints Code New Releases, Scribble Prints Code Wiggle It Wednesday. It has a set of the bow headers. It has a set of the bow flags. And then it has a set of the mini bow deco. So a really great little sampler. I'm not sure which foil we'll start with. We might just switch it up often. And then also if we run out of this like design, we might replace it with a different kind of sheet. It might just be like a regular sheet that's in shop or something like that, or just some other kind of freebie, or maybe just double of the 75. But it'll just kind of depend on what we have going on. Next thing I want to show you guys, which I'm so excited about, and I feel like you guys are going to be excited about too, is I'm doing a new multicolor line. I think this was Emily's idea to do a marble multicolor line. It might have been an idea back in the day, we just never did it. But if you guys notice whenever I do marble in kits, it's always the same marble, just because I'm really weird about marble tones. So whenever I do a kit with marble, it's always this marble. So if you, besides Jessa, because Jessa, I made it a little bit warmer tone. Besides Jessa, the marble, in which I have right here, let me see if I have any spots where there's marble. I mean, you really can't. You can't tell. So this will match pretty much any marble in our shop that is like a gray toned marble, like a gray stone, which is pretty much all of them, which is great so that you can get these and kind of add them to those kits when you need them. So the first thing here is an individual strip. We did have a spring and multicolor, which is a 15 pack, which is right, there's a washi. This washi also came out last week, and you guys are loving it. It is the Once More With Love and Scribble Prints Co. collab. I have another collab washi coming out soon, and let me tell you, it is fire. Like, super fire, and the people, multiple people involved, they know it's good. It's good. So I came out with a pack last week, which was 15 washi strips. They're pre-celloed. It's a chunky pack, which is great if you have like other shop kits that they don't offer these, or maybe you have older Scribble Prints Co. kits that you want to kind of pair things with. So I wanted to come out with marble. Obviously, I didn't want to do a 15 pack of marble because it's all the same, but I just figured a single strip, and then you could pick up as many as you want. I don't really want to do a 15 pack just because I think that'd be kind of a lot to cello, and you guys might not want 15 marble ones, but it will match pretty much any time that I've used marble, or anytime I will use marble, because I always use the same marble. So really love these, and they look great with so many kits. So really hyped on these. I brought home I think like 12 of those to start. And then let me go through and show you guys all the sheets. So the first thing you have here, it just looks like a big chunk of marble. Actually looks like marble full boxes, but these are actually marble headers. And I was talking, well, Emily was talking about it, and she said that these would look so cute with bow headers, like these like line bows over top, and I definitely agree. Or even on your sidebar, it would look super cute. Or if you wanted to use these as little washi strips and do like marble washi in the background, that'd be super cute. So I just, instead of like for the spring, the glitter headers. Whew, it's been a long day, guys. The glitter headers come in 2 sheets, but again, because it's just going to be the same design, I just figured 1 sheet, and then you guys can pick up as many as you want. Then I did do fancy labels. So if you guys notice, most of the multicolor has sparkles in them. So rather than them just being the marble, I went ahead and did like a gold, a silver, and a rose gold. And these are the most popular ones that I do. So like the most popular gold, silver, and rose gold. There's actually oops down here, but we'll totally fix that, you guys know. I'm on top of it, but yeah, I think these are super cute. And then you can use them like kind of like with these color foil spreads, and then there's also kind of a more neutral one. Then there's this here, which is actually, I'm going to show you that one last. So we have the work ones, which have just like a little stroke of the glitter, and again, there's like no glitter over here. It's technically a glitter, but it's like a white glitter. So those are the work labels, which are super cute. They're very neutral. These are the squared off boxes, which you guys have seen in the kits. And then I also wanted to do like the kind of like smaller ones that are on the deco page, just because I think these are a really great size. So these will both be available in the marble. Then we also have the laptops. So the laptops themselves are marble, and then there's a gold, silver, rose gold, and then a white. So you kind of get a little bit of variety, and then gold, silver, and rose gold. And I also did marble on all the sides, and I think that looks super cool with the black Scribble Prints Co. Then I did, instead of the hot drinks, a lot of you guys saw me use one of these stickers in my last plan with me, and these are the little iced coffees, which I think is just kind of like something different, something fun. And there's a row of gold, silver, rose gold, white, gold, silver, rose gold, white, gold, silver, rose gold, white straws. But you can't really tell, but they're there and they're cute. But it's kind of nice because they'll match everything, and it's a very neutral drink. And then we also, of course, have the bows. I just need to make sure to fix this one, which I totally will. So there is that. Then let's go ahead and get on to the kits. I feel like my camera might die on me, but let's go ahead and start with this, which is called My Love. I used this for Bennett's half birthday, I think it was. I don't know if I'm using this here for his half birthday. Kind of considered using this, but I don't know yet. So this is the freebie. This was a kit, and I went ahead and redid the boxes. I'm redoing a lot of kits and reformatting them. Most of them are going to be mini kits, besides I think All My Stars I did an ultimate kit just because that's a really popular kit. This one is a mini kit exclusive. I did change up the boxes a lot. There are a couple kits that I don't think I changed the boxes for, but most of them I did change up the boxes. So I really loved this, adding some stars and making it a little bit like airier, but I just really love this kit. It definitely has a special place in my heart because it was Bennett's half birthday. Pretty sure it's half birthday kit. So really love this one, and this is a mini kit exclusive. This one also does have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. There's also a little boy and little girl box option, so you have holding the gifts in the different skin and hair colors, and then you have the 15mm washi add-on if you want to add that on as well. Then we have a kit here called Dream, which is a really cute kit. It does all of the last two do have ultimate and mini, so this is a really cute summer kit. I feel like this gives me very August vibes. So let me go ahead and show you guys this kit. It is super cute. So you have your little munchkin sampler here. And then these are the full boxes. I love the pops of yellow. I just think they're super, super cute. I love this girl. I love the like brick pattern in the background. I love the colors. You have a green, a kind of like, I guess it's kind of like a nudie greenish beige, a gray, and then this really pretty blue. You have all your squared boxes, the extra box with the bike, and then I did do like a silver accent throughout, which I think is really fun. Very simple washi, your little things, your ombre hair checklist, and then I did a leafy bottom, which I feel like works really, bottom washi, which I think works really well with the kit. And then I did do a 15mm add-on of the blue because it's probably my favorite color in the kit. I just think it's a really unique blue and really, really pretty. So that is the ultimate kit of Dream. Again, a very like summer anytime kit. Also be great if you're going on a vacation. I just think it's really pretty. So like I said, there is a 15mm add-on, and there's also a glitter sampler add-on. And let me go ahead and flip through the mini kit. Y'all have seen the mini kit, so let's go ahead and do this. Also, Mystery will probably be shipping soon. Spots will open today, but we actually have it collated already because we're ahead. So, to actually talk about my plan with me that's coming up on Wednesday, how ahead we are, but okay, so let's go ahead and go through this kit. This is Merbabe, which is so dang cute. This art just came out on Saturday, which is actually the day I'm filming this. I did it early in the morning, and then I sent it to print, and Brian and Kirsten were actually coming over, so I was like, please bring it with you. So this is gorgeous mermaid art. I love it. I love the purples and the blues. I love the girl in the bathtub. I love this girl's hair. I'm all about it. Like, how fun are these colors? I'm living for it and just here for it. It's beautiful. The colors, everything about this is fantastic. I did do kind of like a hollowy looking glitter with it. It would actually look really pretty. I mentioned in my Instagram stories, paired with like a sparkly hollow, which we've done in a past wiggle, and then also the April mystery foil would look so pretty with it. This is actually an exclusive, it's a piece of the art of an exclusive collection that hasn't come out yet, but I was like, I need the water, so I pulled it out of the collection. It's still in the collection, but actually color changed it and added glitter and all kinds of stuff. I'm sure Fitness Jess, who did both of the arts, will recognize the water. It's gonna be a collection to go down in the books as probably one of the best SPC collections ever. So that is the Ultimate Kit, and then the Mini Kit. The Mini Kit actually has like an oops on it, but I just sent it to print today, so we'll just have to reprint the full boxes. So I must have just dragged in the wrong thing. It actually was a sneak of the kits that I was talking about, but I'm going to cut that out, so because you guys can't see that yet, because it's not going to come out for quite a while. So this is the Mini Kit. This is what it will look like. So you have your full boxes, you have your deco. I just love these colors. They're so pretty. Mixed with hollow or like a sparkly pink, be really pretty, or sparkly purple, a mix of both, I don't know. So that is the Mini Kit right there. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to put this over here to remember to fix that. I had to fix a lot of things. I don't know where my head's been. The marble multicolor was sent to print a really long time ago, though, so it couldn't have been a today thing. Then there is a lot of add-on options for this one. My camera's going to die soon. So you have the tall boxes, which I don't do very often, but I really just love this girl. Actually, the kit that I'm talking about, the exclusive one that won't be coming out till I think probably May. It's already printed and everything, but May, probably end of May. It has tall boxes too, but I was just like, yes, and the water. I'm loving it. There are 2 glitter header options. So you have the colors, and then you have that like really pretty like blue, purple, pink, like hollow looking glitter. There is another like short fashion girls. So you have like the 2 girls in the tub. So let me show you guys the full boxes here. So you have the alternating skin tones, and then you have like the little hand over the water, and then you have another one of the hair, which I think is really pretty, and kind of switched out the sides. So that's another option if you want to add on those fashion girls. And then also the 15mm, I decided to do the brick, which I pulled from the bathtub and made it a pattern, along with putting the sparkly hollow kind of behind it, which I think looks really cool. So that's everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.